Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Healthy Food Recipes. Today I am going to make peas rice or matar pulao in a very simple way. It's a very easy way to give peas to your kids if they don't like to eat in gravies. Now for making peas pulao, take a wok and adding almost 5 tablespoons of oil, then add 2 sliced onion and fry for few seconds until it changes its color to golden brown on medium flame. Now adding white cumin seeds 1 teaspoon and all spices mix 1 tablespoon. Now fry it. At this point adding 2 chopped tomatoes and green chilies 5. Now adding salt as per your taste. Red chili flakes 1 tablespoon or as per your taste. And adding all spices mixed powder 1 tablespoon and fry for few seconds. Now at this point adding 1 cup of peas and 1 cup of potato. Fry for few more seconds until they are half done. And then add water. Here I have added 3 glass of water. And give it few more boils. And then I'm adding washed and soaked half kg rice. It will take almost 5 to 7 minutes to totally absorb all the water in it. Here you can see very little water is left. Now adding 1 tablespoon of homemade mixed pickle. Peas are a great source of vitamin C, E, zinc and several other antioxidants that strengthen your immune system. A fistful of green peas daily is said to keep wrinkles and fine line away. Now give it a good mix. You can see no more water is left almost. Give it steam for 15 to 20 minutes. So you can see very yummy and healthy peas pulao is ready to be served hot. Thanks for watching.